Here we use other components 1 mega ohms, maybe 1 million ohms variable resistor or potentiometer, 4.7 k ohms variable resistor, 100 UF capacitor, 4007 diode or any diode, 12 volt LED light and a piece of LM324 IC. 4.7 k variable resistor connect with IC pin 2, 4 and 11. 1 million ohms resistor connect with IC pin 3, 4. Diode connect with IC pin 3 and 4, but you must remember the diode anode and cathode. Under UF capacitor connect with IC pin 3 and negative supply, it means IC pin 11. We get output from IC pin 1. Here you can use relay to control any device. Connect with 12 volt battery. You can adjust delay time, varies the 1 million ohms variable resistor. Dear friends, if you want to more long delay time, you use here 2 million, 4 million, 10 million or 20 million ohms variable resistor. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we learn how to make a adjustable flip-flop flasher using LM324 IC. We use components 2 million ohms variable resistor, 1 k ohm resistor, 100 k ohm resistor, 0.1 UF capacitor, some LED diodes, LM324 IC, 100 k resistor connect with IC pin 1 and 3, 2 million ohms variable resistor connect with IC pin 3, 4 and 11. 0.1 UF capacitor connect with IC pin 2 and 11. Second 2 million ohm variable resistor connect with IC pin 1 and 2. One side LED diode connect with positive supply. Second LED diode connect with negative power supply. Here you can connect more and more LEDs. We get output from IC pin 1. 1K resistor connect with IC pin 1 and LED diode. Second same. Connect 12 volt battery. You can adjust flashing rate, very slow and very fast. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we learn how to make a infrared security alarm circuit. We use some components: 5 mm remote transmitter infrared TX sensor, 5 mm infrared receiver RX sensor, 50K variable resistor, 2 million ohms variable resistor, 470 ohms resistor. We test with 12 volt LED light, LM324 IC chip and 12 volt battery. 2 million ohms variable resistor connect with IC pin 2, 4 and 11. 50K variable resistor connect with IC pin 3 and 11. Infrared receiver sensor connect with IC pin 3 and 4. "12 volt LED light connect with IC pin 1 and positive supply. Here you can also use buzzer or relay to control any device. Infrared transmitter sensor connect with 470 ohms resistor. Transmitter sensor also connect with supply. Connect with 12 volt battery. You can adjust the range, varies the variables. Dear friends, if you want to more long range, use 220 ohms or 100 ohms resistor instead 470 ohms resistor. This sensor circuit cannot be cheated by any light. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we learn how to make a 2-in-1 electronics project. 1-pin touch switch and 220 volt AC line continuity tester using LM324 IC. According this diagram, we use components: 10K resistor, LED diode with 1K resistor, LM324 IC and 12 volt battery. LM324 IC have 4 channels and operational amplifier. It consists of 4 amplifier per package. LM324 IC is capable of operating at 3 volt to 32 volts. 10K resistor connect with IC pin 4 and 2. LED diode connect with IC pin 1 and positive supply. A piece of wire connect with IC pin 3. This circuit also works when we test